Hey guys, so today I want to discuss the following scenario. You released your new package version, you installed it onto your targets, whatever the targets may be, subscriber orgs, internal orgs, but you changed a tab style. You changed an icon on the tab style, and these are not upgradable, so which means that they will not be updated on your targets automatically with your new package version. Even though the related icon, the picture that you changed, it is deployed into the documents, it still will not appear on your tab. And you need this icon, it's absolutely a must-have. So on our source org, we changed the required tab style. I got here my blue tab for the custom object blue that is in my package. So I go here and I change the tab style to match the one that I need. So let's change the color here and insert an image. I want this one. So we click on OK and save. So on our source now we got our latest package version installed and we got the tab in the way that we need it on targets. But the targets currently have this built-in block here. So let's go to Zuppio and see how it works. Also, the targets have our latest version of the package installed as well. This is important. So let's go to Zuppio jobs, and I'm assuming that previously you authorized all your targets and sources here in Zuppio organizations, so we'll be working with this assumption. So let's go to jobs and create a new job. This will be tab style job. Always name your jobs descriptively so you can find them later. We select our source here, and after the info is retrieved, we'll be selecting the package within which we want to work. Now we select the package and click next. Now that we have our job, our workspace created, let's edit the target lists. These are the targets that I want the tab style deployed on. I'm excluding target 1 specifically because I don't want it there. Now let's create the step. So we name our step tab style step, and we create the tab styles in the step type. Here we can see the behavior of Zuppio when deploying tab styles. So let's go ahead and click next. Now we select the specific tab style because we only want the blue one. If you recall, it was for the blue object. And click next. We don't care about action on error, we just create the step. So to reiterate, we got everything created in our source org the way we want it on the targets. I have 2 targets here, but there can be many more. It doesn't matter because Zuppio can work with many targets in one job. Now we select the step and we select the targets and we just click execute. We see the duration started going up. It takes some time, and after that we go to our targets and make sure that the tab style appeared here with the picture that we need. Okay, so it says last success here. We can go and check the history if we are curious. Click on the detail here, and we can see that one component was deployed, finish date, duration, etc, etc. So let's go to our targets and make sure that the tab style was indeed deployed. We refresh them here and wait for the tab to appear. Yep, there is our tab with the picture that we need, on target 2 as well, and on source from which we deployed stuff. So that's basically it. So if you want to change your tab styles, related icons and such, you can just use Zuppio. Also in this step, since you released a new package version, you can also use Zuppio to upgrade your package version on many targets as well. I will link the link in the description as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.